You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to our series on becoming a digital nomad, and in this episode, we're heading to Asia, home of some of the most exciting and affordable destinations for remote workers. Whether you're looking for a vibrant city life, tropical beaches, or low-cost living, Asia has something for every digital nomad. Let's explore the top destinations and how SDC International Shipping can help you move with ease. Indonesia. First up, we have Bali, Indonesia, one of the most famous digital nomad hotspots in the world. With its stunning landscapes, thriving expat community, and affordable cost of living, Bali is a dream destination. Many places offer co-working spaces, strong Wi-Fi, and a great balance of work and relaxation. If you're planning a move to Bali, SDC can handle shipping your household goods, ensuring they arrive safely at your new home. Thailand. Next in our list is Thailand. Famous for relaxed vibe, low cost of living, and excellent co-working spaces. Thailand offers fast-paced lifestyle with modern amenities, making it a great choice for nomads. Whether you're moving furniture, tech equipment, or personal belongings, SDC provides seamless international shipping to Thailand. Vietnam. Fast-growing nomad scene. Vietnam has become an emerging hub for digital nomads. It offers affordable living, great food, reliable internet, and all of that makes it a top choice for remote workers. You can find beach life but also bustling urban experiences. Do you need help moving to Vietnam? Well, SDC specializes in international relocations, and we will ensure a smooth transition for digital nomads heading to Vietnam. Japan. High-tech and exciting. For digital nomads who want an experience of a mix of technology, culture, and convenience, Japan is an excellent choice. You will find high-speed internet, efficient transportation system, and excellent work culture. Although Japan has a higher cost of living, it offers some of the best amenities and infrastructure for remote workers. Are you moving electronics or office equipment to Japan? SDC provides safe and secure shipping to ensure that all your work essentials arrive intact. Asia is full of amazing opportunities for digital nomads, offering affordable living, diverse cultures, and strong connections. Whether you choose Bali, Thailand, Vietnam, or Japan, each location has unique benefits that cater to different lifestyles. If you're planning an international move, let SDC International Shipping handle the logistics. From packing and transport to custom clearance, we make international moves stress-free so you can focus on your adventure. Be sure to tune in to our next episode. We're going to explore top digital nomad destinations in the Americas. See you then.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.